हाउ आर यू? मजेत ना? असायलाच पाहिजे. माय सेल्फ मिस्टर नरेंद्र जंगले. वेलकम स्टुडंट्स. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी SSC Standard 10th Maths Part 1, that means Algebra's 5th chapter, Probability. From that chapter, today we are going to study this problem set 5 Part 2. We divide this problem set 5 into two parts. Part 1, in which we studied क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 to 10, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 से लेके क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 तक पार्ट 1 में हम लोगों ने कवर किया. नाउ रिमेनिंग सम्स यानी क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 से लेकर क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 तक रिमेनिंग सम्स आर इन पार्ट 2. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट दैट पार्ट 2. नाउ लेट अस सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 फ्रॉम प्रॉब्लम सेट 5. रीड द सम केयरफुली. देयर आर 6 कार्ड्स इन अ बॉक्स, each bearing a number 0 to 5. Find the probability of each of the following event that the card drawn shows. Some conditions are given. So first write the sample space S. Here the numbers on the card are from 0 to 5. These 6 numbers are there, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many numbers? NS is equal to 6 numbers are there. Now conditions are given. First condition, first event is given, natural, a natural number. First one, a natural number. The number on the upper face or number on the card is natural number. So let that set be a set. So which are the natural number? 0 is not a natural number, it is a whole number. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are natural numbers. So number of elements in set A, that is number of sample units, are 5. Therefore probability of set A, PA, is equal to, formula लिखो, NA divided by NS is equal to this 5 divided by 6. So in this way we get the probability of the number on the card is a natural number. Now second one. Second possibility is given, a number less than 1. A number on the card is less than 1. So which number is less than 1? Only 0. So let it be set B. So only one number is there. Therefore number of sample space, sample units is equal to 1, not a 0. And therefore probability of that set B, means the number is a less than 1, is equal to NB divided by NS. That is the formula for probability. So we get 1 divided by 6. So this is the probability that the number on the card is less than 1. Now let us see third one. Third condition क्या दिया है देखो. Third condition is given, a number is a whole number. Here the number on the card is a whole number. So whole number, all are the whole number. 0 से लेके let it be set C. So 0 is whole number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All are the whole numbers. Therefore number of sample units is equal to 6. Therefore probability of C is equal to NC divided by this NS is equal to 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. So in this way we get the probability that the number is natural number. This is 5 by 6. Probability of the number is less than 1, 1 by 6, and probability the number is whole number, that is 1. The number is a number on a card is greater than 5. So a number is greater than 5. So here there is no number which is greater than 5. Therefore this set D is a empty set. That means ND is equal to 0, and therefore probability of that set is equal to ND divided by NS. That means 0 divided by 6. So probability is 0. So impossible. That's why the probability is 0. So in this way, in 11th sum, we get the probability that the number on a card is a whole natural number, then number less than 1, then whole number and a number greater than 5. Now let us see question number 12 from problem set 5. Read that sum. A bag contains 3 red, 3 white and 3 green balls. One ball is taken out of the bag at random. What is the probability that the ball drawn is first one red, second one not red, third one is either red or white? Let 3 red balls be R1, R2, R3, 3 white balls W1, W2. So here first write, let red balls be 3 balls R1, R2, R3. Then next one is white balls be W1, W2, W3 and green balls be G1, G2, G3. So these are the possible, means these are the balls. So S can be written as S is equal to this R1, the ball is R2 or R3, that means red ball. Next one, the ball is white, W1, W2, W3 or G1, G2 and G3. So in this way we get NS is equal to 9. So first write the sample space. The sample space S is equal to R1, R2, R3, W1, W2, W3 and G1, G2, G3. Now first case is the ball is red. We have to taken out one ball at random. Then find the probability that the ball is red. First one is the ball is red. So let the set be A. So R1 या R2 या R3, these are the possibilities red ball के लिए. Therefore NA is equal to 3. Therefore probability of that A means the ball is red is NA divided by this NS is equal to 3 divided by 9. 3 ones are and 3 threes are. So the probability that the ball is red is 1 by 3. Second case, not red. So in second case what is given? The ball is not red. Not red means the ball may be white or green. अगर red नहीं है तो कौन सा रहेगा? White यानी W1, W2, W3, G1, G2, G3. So in this way we get number of sample units is equal to 6. Therefore probability of that set the ball is not red is equal to NB divided by this NS. That means 6 divided by 9. So 3 2s are and 3 3s are. So the probability that the ball is not red is 2 by 3. And third case, in third case the ball is either red or white. Either red or white. So this is set C. It is either red means either R1, R2, R3 or white मतलब W1, W2, W3. So again here we get NC is equal to 6. Therefore probability of the set that the ball is either red or white, red रहेगा या white रहेगा, उसका probability आएगा NC divided by NS, that is the formula, or 6 divided by 9. So 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Again the probability is 2 by 3. So in this way we can find the probability that the ball is red, the probability is 1 by 3. Ball is not red, probability is 2 by 3. And ball is either red or white, probability is 2 by 3 again. So in this way we can solve that 12th sum. Now let us see question number 13 from problem set 5. What is that question? Read. Each card bears one letter from the word mathematics. So the cards are placed on a table upside down. find the probability the card drawn bears a letter M. So here write S. This set contains the letters in a word mathematics, means M, A, T, H, E, M, A, T, I, C, S, mathematics. So these letters are there. NS is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So NS is equal to 11. Now we have to find the probability that the card drawn bears a letter M. So the card drawn bears a letter M. So here let it be set A. So which this M is there, again this M is there, 2 times M is there. So NA is equal to number of sample units 2. Therefore probability of the set that the card drawn bears letter M is equal to NA by NS. Easy sum से is 2 by 11. यहाँ पे डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते इसलिए इसको ऐसे ही छोड़ना है. So the letter will be M. The letter on the card will be M. The probability is 2 by 11. Now let us see question number 14 from problem set 5. Out of 200 students from a school, out of 200 students from a school, 135 like kabaddi. So in such a sum, read that sum carefully. Out of 200 students means NS is equal to 200. So here instead of writing that S and other thing, directly write numbers. NS is equal to 200. So total number of students 135 like kabaddi and the remaining students do not like any game. If one student is selected at random from all the students, find the probability that the student selected doesn't like kabaddi. Doesn't like kabaddi. So here let that set A is the event A. The students like kabaddi. जिनको कबड्डी पसंद है उनको हम लोग A से बताते हैं. Therefore NA is equal to the number of students like kabaddi are 135. Then remaining student यानी 200 में से 135 माइनस करो. B the students do not like the game. Do not like the game. So here the students do not like the game. If we have to select one student, then that probability, so here NB is equal to how many students? ये 200 total है, उसमें से minus 135 कर दो, so we get 65. So NB is equal to 65. Now probability of B that we have to find. The student which does not like any game. So if one student is selected at random from all the students, find the probability that the student does not like kabaddi. Means that student 65 student does not like the kabaddi. So probability of B is equal to NB by NS in this case. So NB is 65 divided by NS is equal to 200. तो 5 से पहले डिवाइड करते हैं. So 13 5 जा and here 5 4 जा 40. So 13 by 40, that is the probability that the student does not like kabaddi. Therefore we can write the answer. The probability that the student do not like kabaddi is 13 by 40. That probability is 13 by 40. Let us see question number 15 from problem set 5. What is that 15? A 2-digit number is to be formed from the digits 0 to 4. Repetition of digit is not allowed. Sorry, repetition of digit is allowed here. This is only sum. Here the repetition of digit is allowed. Find the probability that the number so formed is, some conditions are given. So first write the possible numbers or 2-digit number formed by using these digits. So digits are given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These digits are given. Now we have to form 2-digit numbers using this, and here repetition of digit is allowed. तो 0 से तो कोई 2-digit नंबर स्टार्ट नहीं होता है, दैट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1. तो 1 0, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, these are number form 1. 2 से स्टार्ट करो, फिर 2 0, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4. रिमेंबर हियर रिपीटिशन ऑफ डिजिट इज अलाउड, नॉट अलाउड दिया नहीं है, अलाउड है. दैट्स वाई 11 22 इज देयर. 3 से स्टार्ट करो, 3 0, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3 4. द नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे लिखते हैं 4 0, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3 एंड 4 4. तो कितना नंबर होता है? 1 2 3 4 5. एक डिजिट से 5 नंबर, 1 2 3 4 5 डिजिट्स आर देयर. So here count these numbers. ns is equal to, these numbers are 20. Now write first case. तो we get s and ns. तो पहला केस क्या दिया है? The number is prime number. The number is prime number. तो प्राइम नंबर कौन कौन सा इसमें लिखो? 11, 13, 23, उसके बाद 31, then 41 and 43. These are the prime numbers. So NA is equal to 6. Therefore probability of A means probability that the number is prime number is NA divided by NS is equal to 6 divided by 20. So 3 2s and 3 2 10s. So here we get 2 से डिवाइड किया, 2 3s 6 and 2 10s. So 3 by 10. Let's see second case. In second case, the numbers are multiples of 4. Multiples of 4. The numbers are multiples of 4. तो multiple of 4 कौन कौन सा है? 4 के जो टेबल में आएगा, 4 3s 12, 4 5s 20, 4 6s 24, 4 7s 28 नहीं है, 4 8s 32, 4 9s 36 नहीं है, 4 10s 40 and 4 11s 44. So these are the 6 numbers. So NB is again 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Therefore probability that the number is multiple of 4, probability means PB is equal to NB divided by NS. Here it is B is equal to 6 by 20. Again 2 से डिवाइड कर देते हैं, 3 by 10. So again we get the probability is 3 by 10. Now last probability, that is multiple of 11. The number is multiple of 11. Third one, the number should be multiple of 11. वो 11 के टेबल में आना चाहिए. तो C लेते हैं, 11 1 11, 11 2 22, 33 and 44. So these are the 4 numbers. देखो 11, उसके बाद आता है 22, उसके बाद आता है 33 और 44. These are the in the table of मैंने multiple of 11. So NC is equal to 4 only. Therefore probability of the set C means multiple of 11. The numbers are multiple of 11 is NC divided by NS. That means 4 divided by 20. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So in this way, in 15th sum, we get the probability that the number is prime number is 3 by 10. The number is multiple of 4, the probability is 3 by 10. The multiple of 11, the probability is 1 by 5. Now let us see question number 16. It is a star sum. The faces of a die bear number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not from 1 to 6. The faces, the numbers on the faces are कहाँ से है, 0 से 5 तक है. If the die is rolled twice, 2 बार उसको twice रोल किया, then find the probability that the product of the digit on the upper face is 0. तो पहले सैम्पल स्पेस हम लोग लिखते हैं S इज इक्वल टू, बड़ा सा सैम्पल स्पेस अपना आता है, लेकिन उसमें डिफरेंस है अभी थोड़ा. देखो 0 0 ये फर्स्ट टोन हो गया, देन 0 1 0 2 0 3 मीन्स 0 ऑन द फर्स्ट डाई. सेकेंड डाई पे आएगा 0, फिर 1 2 3 0 4 एंड 0 5. सो दिस आर द पॉसिबिलिटीज. उसके बाद क्या करेंगे, अभी 1 से स्टार्ट करते हैं, 0 के बाद 1 0 1 1 1 2 1 3. ये बराबर से यहाँ पे याद करके लिखना है. 1 4 and 1 5. Then start from 2 2 0 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5. So these are the possible outcomes. 3 0 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 and 3 5. Next one is 4 0, then 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 and 4 5. उसके बाद लास्ट आएगा 5 0 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 and 5 5. So total numbers are 36. So we get NS is equal to 36. Now what is the event? What we have to find the probability that the product of the digit on the upper face is 0. ये product 0 आना चाहिए. तो product कहाँ पे 0 आएगा, जिसमें एक नंबर 0 है. तो here 0 0 into 1 0 0 into 2 0 0 into 3 0 0 into 4 0 into 5 1 into 0 2 into 0 3 into 0 4 into 0 and 5 into 0. Therefore the product is 0. Let that side be A. A is equal to 0 0. उसके बाद 0 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 0 5. Next one is 1 0, then 2 0 3 0 4 0 and 5 0. So in this way we get the product of these two numbers on the upper face is 0. तो कितना हो गया, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So 11 pairs are there in which the product is 0. So NA is equal to 11. We have to find the probability of that. So PA is equal to NA by NS. So we get 11 by 36. So that is the probability that the product on the upper faces is 0. That question number 17 is activity for you. Do that activity at your own. Here total number of the students in your class. तो यहाँ पे टोटल नंबर पहले लिखना है हमें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं अभी कोई भी नंबर यहाँ पे लेता हूँ. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट इन अ क्लास NS इज इक्वल टू, मेरी क्लास का मैं एक एग्जाम्पल लेता हूँ, 39 स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर इन माई क्लास. सो द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स वेयरिंग स्पेक्टेकल्स, तो NA नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स वेयरिंग स्पेक्टेकल, सपोज ये 10 स्टूडेंट है. द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स probability of randomly selected student wearing spectacle. तो PA is equal to we get NA by NS, that means 10 divided by 39. ये हो गया इसका probability. और probability of randomly selected student not wearing the spectacle, the PB यानी NB is equal to not wearing spectacle कितना है, अगर 39 में से 10 अगर spectacle यूज करता है तो remaining student यानी 29. Therefore probability of B is equal to NB by NS, that means 29 by 39. So like this we get these numbers. You can write the numbers from your class and complete that activity. Second activity is given, decide the sample space yourself and fill in the following box. Sample space कोई भी आप लोग ले सकते हैं. S NS लिखो. The condition for the event A is getting an even number and then complete that activity. So this question number 17 is activity based यानी for self study. So do that for your fun and practice. So friends, here this problem set 5 is completed. If you have any doubt in probability or in problem set 5, then you can write in a comment box. I will definitely clear your doubt. And if you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe the channel to get the upcoming videos and share these videos to your friends. Thank you.